Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to see first message on Messenger without scrolling. But first, check out our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to see the first message that you send someone here on Messenger, well, there are a few quick tricks that you could try doing here. So what do you need to do? So first things first is going to just access Messenger and you want to go and just open the chat that you want to basically see the first message for. Now, currently, if you're using an Android device, the only way for you to see someone's or your first message or someone's first message in your chat window here is you may want to use what we call the search in conversation option or feature inside Messenger. So once you are inside the chat, you want to go and just click on their name at the top left or top section, and you want to go ahead and look for the search in conversation option, and you want to go and just type in anything that resembles what a first message would be. So typically it's going to be a hi or even a hey. Now, depending on how you usually or how you guys interact, so you can go and just basically search this one, and from here, you should be able to see the first message here. So I'm going to look for the oldest one that I am actually using right now. So let's go ahead and choose one from August 2 and see what we could find. So if that's not the case, you're going to just go back. Let's go and choose this one. It's hey. So as you can see, that's the first message that we actually sent with this chat here. So in this case, that's how you find it on Android devices. But if you're using an iOS device, well, typically what you could try doing is if you actually click. So if you go to your chat here, a chat window. So if you're only using or if your phone supports this feature, what you could do is you could just basically tap the signal icon or the Wi-Fi icon you see at the very top, and that would actually automatically allow you to scroll up without you actually doing the actual motion. So yeah, currently this is the only way for you to do this on Android devices, but that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.